Welcome to the AARDY.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and today's topic, pre-existing conditions travel insurance. Well, what is pre-existing conditions travel insurance? It's regular travel insurance that incorporates a waiver. The waiver is important because pre-existing conditions are not covered by travel insurance. We need the waiver in order to ensure that coverage is in place. Now, the policy wording can often be a little complex, but let's run through how this works. Insurance is designed to provide coverage for unseen events. Or unforeseen events, I should say. So if a traveller has a medical condition before he leaves for a vacation, then the insurer normally will not cover for this. Now that seems to make sense. Now if we have a problem, then it is not unforeseen. It is something we live with on a regular basis. But luckily, most travel insurers are able to support pre-existing condition travel insurance. They do this by granting a waiver. They are able to offer a waiver to those travellers whose condition is considered stable. Importantly, they need for a traveller to book their travel insurance very quickly after their initial trip deposit, so normally within 14 days. So let's look at some of the key terms. You need to be stable, so no medical changes within the last 180 days is typical. Now, some policies offer more flexibility and require stability over only 60 or 90 days. It pays to shop around, but 180 days is the most restrictive that we've seen. It needs to be booked quickly. After your initial trip deposit, this is where we see most problems with customers. Now, travel insurance carriers have very strict rules in place concerning timing of purchase of travel insurance. It is critical that the policy is bought very quickly after your initial payment towards your trip. 14 days is normal, although a few carriers offer a little more flexibility in terms of timing, but even then it is only a matter of a few extra days. Remember, it does not matter if you have not paid for your entire trip. You should buy the travel insurance for the value you have spent so far. Then, as you spend more money on different elements of your trip, hotels, cruises, etc., then add more travel insurance. You add more travel insurance by calling the travel insurance carrier and letting them know that you have additional costs for the trip. This way, your pre-existing condition travel insurance is in place and you're ready to go. As always at Aardvark Compare, we recommend that a traveller consider travel insurance. You can get an anonymous quote in seconds and compare dozens of the top travel plans from many of the largest US travel insurers, saving you time and money finding the right plan for your needs. Irrespective as to your condition, there is probably a plan that can cover you. There may well be some confusion for you, but we have insurance agents who can guide you through. Just call us before you buy your policy and let us talk you through your options. Safe travels.